Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal, a pre-recorded episode because here we are talking calendars again. It's the first day of August in the heat of the summer, and we're talking about Halloween already because the 2024 calendar, October calendar shoot is in full effect. Okay, so we're talking Halloween, we're talking scariness. We're gonna go inside Coach 1374. We're gonna look at what went into shooting the calendar for Halloween. Lots of decor, lots of props, everything from glassware with scary hands on it to skeleton bones, and wait till you see inside. Incredible. It takes a lot to do these amazing calendars. Let's zip on inside and see what kind of Halloween trouble and scariness we can get into. Halloween time, and this is amazing. This guy right here welcomes you in to 1374 and the Halloween 2024 October calendar. Very exciting. There's so much going on. This is my first time taking a look. Everything. Look at the knitting needles. That's cool, right? Yeah, one of the things that really captured me about this year is how many pieces are in the Halloween shoot for October 2024. So many different items laid out, and I really love seeing all of the webs all over this brand new coach. Now, this coach has been out of production for 3 days, you guys. So it's what, Tuesday? And I think this coach finished Friday or around the weekend. So 1374 is a brand new coach, and they let the marketing team come in here and work their magic. Look at the webs all over the salon windows, all over the dinette. Wait till you see the bedroom. It's all over the bed. Pete Sutton and the entire marketing team, they go to great lengths not only to set everything up like this, but to really source so many different items for these calendar shoots. We usually theme out as a company a couple of the months, usually Christmas and October. So here it is. I think we've done Thanksgiving before too, but wow. Oh, you're right, Valentine's Day, my birth month. Actually, my birthday is Valentine's Day. State of Oregon too, for those of you who are counting. Very cool. I like the crow. What's up, my crow? This was something that our marketing team has worked on all week long last week, and it came to a head today with the actual photo shoot. And then they're gonna be tearing it down, meaning taking all of this Halloween decor out, and so that Santara Perkins and Alan Christensen can get in here and properly decor Coach 1374 for the actual photos and videos we're gonna do of this brand new X3 double slide. There's many hidden Easter eggs, for the lack of a better term, to use another holiday, but that's what they call the hidden stuff. Many hidden Easter eggs throughout this coach. Everything from that frog down there on the floor of the shower, all the way to all the little things that we already saw up there in the salon and galley. Look at this bed, completely done up for Halloween in this spooky thing. Oh, I didn't even see those guys over there when I walked back here. That's really cool. So much going on, so much decor that it takes to get great photos of the Halloween shoot. And this is a great coach. The timing worked perfect to get Coach 1374 because of these colors. You've got grays and blacks, or a dark grays throughout this coach. I don't want to necessarily say blacks, but the poles are black. It's like a flat matte black in this coach. Hopefully it sells by this time in October so that the customers who purchase it can see their coach was used for the October Halloween 2024 calendar shoot. It's great. Anything in the closet? No, it'd be too spooky. As we explore a little bit more into the galley, dinette, and salon, this guy really grabs me. You know, the mustache, the cool hair, he definitely has the bartender thing down. The pocket watch, chain here going to the vest. That's a cool piece. I think that's a Home Depot piece for those of you who are really into the whole Halloween. And this guy, like I mentioned earlier, is from Home Depot. I think my son Brenner who's been on the show. He's really into the whole animatronics thing that you find at either Home Depot or the Halloween store, Spirit, which is just taking on a whole life of its own. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. It's a crocodile magnifying glass. That's nifty. Well, we're once again down in the paint department for another calendar shoot. And so it's my honor to show you guys what is going on for October of 2024. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to throw these up on YouTube or Facebook. We love seeing your comments on how cool these calendar shoot videos are. We do them every year, and we've already shot the Christmas one, but you're not going to see it until after this. This is Halloween 2024 coming to you from the Marathon marketing team and Coach 1374. Thank you for hanging out with me in this video that will air right before Halloween of this year. Be yourself and do good things. Take care. I'm gonna get out of here. See ya.